Hyatt Zilara Cancun is back. After an extensive renovation, it is back open and includes hidden bars, amazing suites, and incredible dining. Let's check it out. What if I told you one of Cancun's most iconic adult-only resorts just underwent a complete transformation? And now it may be one of the most luxurious, all-inclusive experiences in Mexico. The moment you walk into the lobby, you immediately feel the transformation. Inspired by local coral reefs, mangroves, and the natural beauty of the Yucatan Peninsula, the design feels warm, coastal, sophisticated, and incredibly inviting. Standard guests will check in here. You will be greeted and taken care of, given your room key, and start your experience off very well. But if you prefer Preferred Club, you'll have access to a more elevated experience with private check-in and check-out, personalized concierge service, premium liquor selections, upgraded amenities, exclusive lounge access. Preferred Club is one of those upgrades that can really enhance your overall experience. Now that you're on vacation, are you ready for a cocktail? This is Aurelia. It is a serene lobby bar featuring craft cocktails, aperitifs, an elegant design, and a view of the nightly entertainment. It's perfect for a before-dinner drink. Please notice the attention to detail and the jellyfish light fixtures above the bar gives a nod to the beautiful surrounding of the Caribbean Sea. If you would like to commemorate your trip with a beautiful piece of jewelry, Finney Dream Jewelry is right off the lobby and available to shop at. There is also a boutique that has some beautiful clothing items and toiletries if there was something that you forgot at home. You can come here and purchase what you need. Another location I would like to highlight during this tour is Highlights Sports Bar. During the day, it serves gourmet burgers, barbecue ribs, and you can view your favorite sporting events. There is no shortage of televisions here, so they should be able to accommodate you for whatever game you need to watch. And at night, this is a lively atmosphere with music, dancing, and great late night energy. And is this the speakeasy? Could it be that easy? No, this is not the speakeasy. This is a room off of Highlights Bar, and it features a little extra fun and also closets for if you are a regular guest and you want to purchase some high-end wine or liquor, you can have a locker here and they will hold it for you. Welcome to Casa del Cafe. This is where I would start every morning. It will probably become your daily ritual. This cafe features a great morning espresso, afternoon iced coffee. You can get fresh pastries, sandwiches, ice cream, all while overlooking the beautiful Caribbean Sea. They make an assortment of specialty coffees and even cute little details like this adorable bear. If you happen to need to work on your trip, this is a great place to do so. There is a computer you can log into attached to a printer, and there are also some cozy spots to set up with your computer and your cappuccino, get caught up on some emails before heading back to the beach. This is Spices, their international buffet, but it's not just your typical buffet. This is extremely elevated. It features global flavors with local inspiration, rotisserie specialties, fresh pasta stations, wood-fired pizza, and my personal favorite, handmade tortillas and tacos. Hyatt Zilara Cancun absolutely blew me away. If you're ready to get a quote, please reach out to us at straightawaytravel.com, or you can email me directly at jenny@straightawaytravel.com, and we can get you over some different price points for the different room options. We also do have other videos showing the rooms, so be sure to check those out too. Now back to the food. Heading outside from the lobby, there is this beautiful courtyard where there are additional dining restaurants. This courtyard also does have the option to be reserved for a private event, or if you're having a wedding here, you could have a welcome event here, welcome drinks if you're having a group. There's a lot of different things this space could be used for, and it is at a beautiful location just outside some of the most amazing restaurants this resort has to offer.
Every restaurant told us a story. We're going to see Bugambilia, which is our Mexican.
Bugambilia takes Mexican cuisine to another level. The flavors featured represent the Yucatan, Baja, and Central Mexico. They also have artisanal spirits, and it is authentic, refined, and beautifully done Mexican food. The name of the restaurant, Bugambilia, represents a beautiful flower vine famous for its bright pink, fuchsia, red flowers, which you will find all over this beautiful restaurant. During dinner, there is typically live music, which is often a mariachi band, but not the type you might be used to. It is softer music done in a very elegant way that still allows you and your companion to have dinner conversation and hear each other throughout the meal. Casa Adelita is a new dining concept with only one seating per day and a capacity of up to 10 guests. It represents the true taste of the region.
This is Casa Adelita. So Casa Adelita is not a restaurant, it's a complete experience. Right now the chef is working and she's preparing everything, but once the guests arrive to this area, they are not going to be received by the chef. They are going to be received by Adelita herself with a really Mexican traditional outfit. And the guest is going to help Adelita to prepare.
You are able to look through and follow along with family recipes. And if you are thirsty, you can feel free to help yourself to a beverage from the refrigerator, just like you are in your own family's kitchen. Next, we have Silu. This is Pan-Asian cuisine. This is a Silk Road-inspired journey through Asia with the following: teppanyaki, Korean barbecue, a noodle bar, and an Asian whiskey bar. Here you will find the teppanyaki tables as well as booths to mimic looking like you are riding on an elephant.
They're both having their own privacy. So that's why you can see the seatings, they are not like uncomfortable. We have enough space between a guest and the other one. We have seatings every hour since the opening of the restaurant. So we don't have a space.
Coming up this way is the Asian whiskey bar. This entire experience is innovative, upscale, and a must-do for food lovers and those who enjoy a fine beverage. Olio de Olivia is their Italian cuisine restaurant. It features coastal Italian cuisine featuring homemade pastas, risottos, and ocean fresh seafood served by the sea. Pier 12 is Mediterranean and seafood dockside dining, and it features a raw bar with oysters and clams. Pier 12 is Mediterranean and seafood dockside dining, and it features a raw bar with oysters and clams. If you're looking for delicious drinks like mojitos and pina coladas, you'll want to come to Cantina del Mar. If you're looking for something truly unforgettable on your trip, you'll want to make a reservation at Chef's Plate. This is an additional cost experience. Chef's Plate offers an intimate 14-seat tasting experience featuring Latin American flavors, French culinary influences, and curated wine pairings. The gym features a heated pool, Pilates studio, fitness classes, locker room, rain shower, and even a Peloton. I absolutely love the outdoor pool that lets you relax and rest after your hard workout. Just look at this beautiful, relaxing location overlooking the sea. When you're ready to book your trip, reach out to me, Jenny, at straightawaytravel.com, or reach out to us at straightawaytravel.com and fill out a quote request. Welcome to Zen Spa, where the friendly staff can help you book any of the many appointments they have available. They also have a beauty salon right here at the resort in the spa if you need to have your hair or nails done. There is also an experience you can add on to your treatment where you make your own essential oil scent or body scrub scent.
A special workshop with Color Media in which you can recreate your own essential oil, so you can use in a treatment with us, or that you can take home, and as well you can create a customized exfoliating for body scrub. It's a complete experience. It's almost for 40 minutes to 60 minutes. And in this one, have includes you also.
Zen Spa features over 22,000 square feet of wellness, featuring 11 treatment rooms, a fantastic hydrotherapy circuit, polar plunge pool, whirlpool, steam room, ice fountain, and a treatment gazebo. I don't know about you, but every time I am at a resort, I need to do a spa treatment with hydrotherapy. I love an amazing hydrotherapy space, and this resort does not disappoint. Hyatt Zilara Cancun has an extensive amount of activities you can choose to participate in during your stay. They also have amazing facilities such as an infinity pool, Olympic-sized lap pool, whirlpool tubs, aqua gym class, beach butlers offering cold drinks, non-motorized water sports, Spanish lessons, handcrafts, games and trivia, and more. Straightaway Travel was some of the first to be in this resort once it reopened. I've met the management personally. If you book with Straightaway Travel, we take the best care of our clients. Reach out to us at straightawaytravel.com. You can fill out our quote request, and one of our amazing advisors will get back to you. You can also email me, Jenny, at straightawaytravel.com. And this is just an incredible resort. The food, the ambiance, the attention to detail, the kindness of the staff was just absolutely fantastic. The resort is only about a 20 to 30 minute drive depending on traffic. You didn't think I forgot, did you? There is a speakeasy here. It is very exclusive, very tricky to find, and you need a password. If you're interested in visiting the speakeasy, I suggest you book with Straightaway Travel. We know the steps to get you in here. Reach out to us today at www.straightawaytravel.com. You can fill out a quote request, or you can email me directly, Jenny at straightawaytravel.com, and we will be here to help you plan an amazing trip and make sure you know all of the things you need to know to have a great time. Hi, I really hope you enjoyed my video. When you're ready to book your next vacation, please reach out to us at Straightaway Travel. This is my QR code here if you would like to reach out to me for a quote request. You can also email me directly at jenny@straightawaytravel.com, or you can reach out to us on our main website, www.straightawaytravel.com, and complete a quote request there. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.